Hello everybody and welcome back to my kitchen. So what we're doing today is we're gonna make some Christmas. I need my strawberries. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna make two different kinds of Ice Lollies. We're gonna make some Christmas ones, by the way, Christmas themed. It's December. We're gonna make one creamy one with the remainders of that delightful Grinch hot chocolate. Link down below if you didn't see that disaster. And the remainders of my 5-minute ice cream. We're gonna mix those together to make this less medicinal. And then we're gonna make some fruity ice lollies with some fruit. Fruit. Okay, so we're gonna get started on the creamy ones first, because there's just a little bit more involved. Because you know, I'm trying to save these recipes. I've been leaving them out to melt for a bit. So we're gonna dump that in there, and ew, ooh, that looks so gross. And we're going to add a little bit more cream to it, just a dash. This is obviously going to be impossible for anyone to remake unless you make the exact disaster that I made in my previous video. I'm gonna stir that up, and what I'm gonna do... Why are you filming my slippers? Christmas! We're gonna try and make swirlies. And we're going to add a drop of red food coloring to this delightful minty green mixture. Oops. And we're just gonna do one little boom. Then I found these adorable little ice cream makers the other day. Look at these bunny rabbits. And these ones are more on theme. They're penguins. Penguins! So now what we're gonna do is just scoop, plop, scoop, plop, scoop, plop, scoop, plop, and hope for the best. Then we're gonna pop them in the freezer and let them set and freeze, and hopefully things work out right. Ew, that looks gross. I regret putting the red in this. Okay, it's kind of pretty. I don't know. What do you think? No comment. Ew, it's gone gray. All right, cool. Boop. And we are going to just close those, but my penguins don't have their scarves. Gotta get your scarves in there, penguins. All right, we're gonna close these and pop them in the freezer. Now we're gonna make the fruity ones, and I'm just gonna mix up some cranberry and kiwi juice. That's more than enough. Some apple juice. And some sparkling water, just to make it not so sweet. Yum! I need a knife. So now you take your little ice lolly mold and you're just gonna... Nope! No, you're not! I'm going to grab a measuring cup. There we go. We're gonna leave some space in it for fruits. We would have had enough if I hadn't spilt all that juice beforehand. So I'm just gonna top that last one up. Okie dokie, urty cheeky. Let's grab a knife. A knife! I'm just gonna slice them into the ice lollies. Overflowing a little bit. Pop your lids in there. and put them in the freezer to freeze. Carefully, slowly, quietly. So now we're going to wait for those to freeze, and then I will show you the final result. Hello, we're back. Everything's frozen. I am concerned about those. So let's try get them out of their melt, and we'll let those melt a little bit because they're coming. I'll show you those later. All right, let's try get these ones out. Let's start with the penguins. Nope, these are the rabbits. I don't think this is gonna go well. Nope, it's breaking. Let's try this rabbit. The same thing is happening. Well, on the bright side, it tastes better as an ice cream than it does as a hot chocolate. Maybe because it's hot and it's summer and it's like 32 degrees Celsius today, and hot chocolate isn't what you want to be drinking in this kind of weather. Oh no, those aren't gonna go well. This is my fault though, because I spilt these all over the freezer. We'll give it a good proper try with some proper ice cream, because these molds are really cute. We will be seeing them again. So now for the part that did work. Isn't that cute? Look at all of the frozen berries underneath there, and the different colorways. Red and then white and then like a pinky corally color. I like it. And it tastes delicious. Yes, drip it all down my arm. So these, solid symmetry, easy to make. So do these ones. We're gonna find out how to fix what I did over here. But ignore that. Do these ones. If you live in the southern hemisphere where it's hot as all heck for Christmas, make these. Delicious, tasty, refreshing treats. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comments below. And if you would like to support me in this channel and see more of these I don't know what creations, then subscribe. Alright, but have a wonderful day, a very merry festive season to you all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, 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 bye. Cheers!